News coming in from the sports fraternity, and not the best news for the fans. Football legend Sunil Chhetri has announced retirement. Sunil Chhetri, who has been a known Indian footballer and in many ways continued to keep football in the mainstream for the Indian viewers, watchers and football lovers. Sunil Chhetri is set to retire after the Kuwait game takes place. The curtain will fall on what a brilliant 17-year-old illustrious career that has been for Chhetri. So he's going to retire from international football, but I'm sure that we'll continue to see a lot about Chhetri within the football fraternity as well. Let me immediately bring in India Today's Nitin Srivastava, but first listen in to what Sunil Chhetri has had to say. And Nitin, as I bring you in here, you know, when you talk of the big football name legends, for an Indian footballer, even though our teams are not known perhaps at the best international standards, Chhetri had made a name. He was seen among the top 5 big, specifically for the number of goals he has scored. What is the reason for the retirement? And do you know any ideas, any plans? What next?
Not actually, the good news
yes.
as far as the Sunil's fans is concerned, but Indian football also is concerned. Today, this morning, he took on social media announcing via video, explaining everything, that how he started, when was the first time he got that cap, he got that jersey, what was the feeling, and how, his 20 years career span out, and how he actually got the chance to captain India. Sunil Chhetri is one of the most decorated footballer ever, India produced. He actually explained that how, the big names of Indian football actually, helped him to groom and live his dream. He named Bachchan Bhutia, he named so many other footballers who captained India earlier. But Sunil Chhetri is the best footballer India ever produced. He has scored 93 goals. He was one time he was compared with Lionel Messi. He has done so many things for India. But today he actually shocked the world of football by saying that it is the time to say goodbye to the football. But he will definitely be roam around to for the betterment of Indian football, to do something via be in administration or via to be in the coaching role. But as of now, he hasn't said anything about the later plan. But yes, he has mentioned that he's taken that hard decision, and after the Kuwait qualifier, he will be hanging his boot.
But perhaps hang his boots as an active footballer. But there's a lot of mentoring to do. There is a lot of training that he can help provide. After Bachchan Bhutia, and at least for my generation, Chhetri has been a big name. We have a reaction from Sunil Chhetri, who's led the Indian football team. Here's what he has said.
Right from when I was 20 to now when I'm 39, I've been so much loved and encouraged, and people have gone so wild with happiness when I do well. But I think it's a great fortune of mine. So thank you to the core group who has helped me to be the kind of player that I became, and for the 19 years. To the fans, to the ones who are thinking that I should retire, I hope it makes you happy. To the ones who think that I shouldn't have and I did well, thank you. Because of your love and affection, I've reached 19 years. Make sure you understand that you're a part of it. Yeah, one last game against Kuwait. For all our sakes, let's do a good game. Let's win the game, and we can depart happily. And it's a wrap. Good man.
To give your heart and soul to football, to game, and to anyone who's put in decades of hard work, and then to announce retirement. Perhaps he's taken a call at the right time. And I just want to add here, this is not just about an Indian footballer. And I'll bring in Nitin here. Nitin, after Ronaldo, after Messi, Chhetri's name to come ahead as the top goal scorer. And also take us back, and I'm sure many of our viewers will also remember, I think it was in 2018. Remember when Sunil Chhetri, with folded hands, urged the Indian audience to come and be a part of the match, because there are not many football lovers, participants in the audience. But what turned out was a packed stadium because of that call. So tell us, one, about what does it mean as Sunil Chhetri is set to leave the stadium this time.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. See, Sunil Chhetri, undoubtedly is one of the best footballer we have seen, and I, exactly remember the day when Sunil Chhetri came out with that, very emotional message to all the, Indian people who loves actually football. He was not getting that kind of support. That stadium the day before was completely, but there was no person, no fan available to support the team, to cheer for the team. But right after that message, that Mumbai stadium was jam-packed. There was, a large number of people who was waiting outside the stadium to support the team. So that is why Sunil Chhetri tried everything for the betterment of this Indian football. He lived up the dream to qualify the World Cup, but unfortunately we are still fighting for that position, and he'll be trying on the 6th June as well to qualify. But again, Sunil Chhetri was one of the best footballer. He was compared with Ronaldo, he was compared with Lionel Messi. He was there with them in the list of top scorer. So definitely Indian football and the Indian football lovers is going to miss Sunil Chhetri. But one thing which I really wanted to tell people that I don't think as of now we have any footballer who can actually replace Sunil Chhetri kind of stature, and definitely Indian football is going to miss Sunil Chhetri.
Nitin, thank you very much for the perspective and the details in that, and wishing Sunil Chhetri all the very best, and we hope that he'll continue to ensure that the Indian football reaches many more milestones as well. Thank you very much, Nitin, for this.